Top 20 famous female motivational speakers in Nigeria. Let's shine a spotlight on the incredible talents of these 20 remarkable women. Number 20. Abisola Akintolafolarin. Abisola Akintolafolarin is a Nigerian social entrepreneur and human development expert renowned for her transformative work in empowering young girls and women through technology education. She founded the Pearls Africa Youth Foundation, dedicated to providing educational opportunities for girls in underserved communities. Through innovative programs like Girls Coding, GC Mentors, Girls in STEM, and Empowered Hands, Abisola Akintolafolarin has pioneered initiatives that equip girls with essential technology skills, enabling them to thrive in the digital era. Recognized for her contributions, Abisola Akintolafolarin has been invited to speak at esteemed events, where she has shared her insights on harnessing technology for impactful social change. Number 19. Oluwaseun Sani. Oluwaseun Sani is a distinguished Nigerian business leader and financial expert. As the group CEO of Emerging Africa Capital Group, EACG, Oluwaseun Sani has played a pivotal role in shaping the landscape of financial services and investment in Nigeria and across Africa. Oluwaseun Sani's impact extends beyond the boardroom, as she is recognized for her advocacy for gender equality and women's empowerment in business and leadership. As a speaker, Oluwaseun Sani brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to her engagements, captivating audiences with her insights into finance, investment, and leadership. Her track record as a speaker reflects her ability to inspire and empower others, making her a sought-after voice at conferences. Number 18. Tamy Toa Alagbegi. Tamy Toa Alagbegi is an ordained pastor, CEO of Sixth Sense Interiors and a certified marriage and relationship counselor, renowned Ivy League decorator. Through her speaking engagements, coaching sessions, and pastoral ministry, Tamy Toa Alagbegi inspires individuals to unlock their full potential, navigate life's challenges, and achieve holistic transformation. Number 17. Utun Omid. Utun Omid is a distinguished figure in Nigeria, known for her impactful contributions as a motivational speaker, educator, and advocate. As the founder of the Uncrowned Community Builders, Utun Omid has dedicated herself to empowering individuals and communities to reach their full potential. Through her platform, she provides mentorship, guidance, and resources to help others overcome obstacles and achieve success. Utun Omid is also a renowned speaker and author. Number 16. Juliet Huanka. Juliet Huanka is a renowned figure in Nigeria's technology and business landscape. She has established herself as a leader in the fields of technology, entrepreneurship, and women empowerment. As the country director for Google Nigeria, Juliet Huanka has played a pivotal role in driving Google's operations and initiatives in the country. She has been instrumental in fostering partnerships, promoting digital literacy, and supporting entrepreneurship and innovation across Nigeria. Juliet Huanka is also a sought-after speaker and thought leader, known for her insightful perspectives on technology, entrepreneurship, and leadership. Number 15. Adeni Oyetunde. Adeni Oyetunde is a prominent Nigerian media personality, lawyer, and disability rights advocate known for her inspirational journey and impactful work. As the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor of Lagos State on Persons Living with Disabilities, Adeni Oyetunde has been a vocal advocate for the rights and inclusion of persons with disabilities in society. In addition to her advocacy work, Adeni Oyetunde is a sought-after motivational speaker, sharing her personal story and empowering others to overcome obstacles and pursue their dreams. Her authenticity, courage, and unwavering spirit inspire audiences to embrace their challenges and turn them into opportunities for growth and success. Number 14. Bunmi George. Bunmi George is a dynamic entrepreneur and wellness advocate making waves in Nigeria. Through her company, Shredder Gang, Bunmi has revolutionized the fitness industry, inspiring individuals across the country to prioritize their health and well-being. Bunmi George's journey is a testament to the power of determination and perseverance. As a motivational speaker, she shares her experiences and insights, encouraging others to embrace a healthy lifestyle and pursue their goals with passion and purpose. Number 13. Bolanle Alani. Bolanle Alani is a force to be reckoned with in the Nigerian media industry. With a background in media communications, she is a prominent television presenter, producer, and actress. Bolanle is a passionate advocate for social change, actively involved in philanthropic initiatives centered around gender equality, education, and youth empowerment. Bolanle has inspired audiences at various events, leaving a lasting impact on individuals across Nigeria. Number 12. Aisha Onuoha. Aisha Onuoha is a notable figure in the Nigerian media landscape. As the host of the popular talk show Seriously Speaking, Aisha Onuoha has used her platform to amplify the voices of women and address pressing issues facing Nigerian society. As a motivational speaker, Aisha Onuoha brings her wealth of experience and passion for empowering others to the forefront. Through engaging talks and presentations, she inspires audiences to pursue their dreams, overcome challenges, and make a difference in their communities. Number 11. Eoma Fafan. Eoma Fafan is a prominent figure in Nigerian society, known for her impactful work as a playwright, director, and advocate for social change. As the founder and artistic director of I Open Eye, Eoma Fafan uses theatre as a powerful tool for social transformation. Her thought-provoking performances challenge stereotypes and inspire audiences to rethink traditional norms, sparking conversations and driving positive change. She has delivered keynote addresses and participated in panel discussions at various events, sharing her insights on gender equality, women's empowerment, and social justice. Her compelling speeches inspire audiences to take action and advocate for a more equitable and inclusive society. Number 10. Nmi Aingkug. Nmi Aingkug is a renowned Nigerian financial expert and author, recognized for her impactful contributions to financial literacy and wealth management in Nigeria. With a wealth of experience in finance and business, she has become a trusted advisor and advocate for financial empowerment, particularly for women and young entrepreneurs. Through her platform, Money Matters with Nmi Aingkug shares valuable insights and practical advice on personal finance, investing, and wealth creation. Her engaging speaking style and expertise have made her a sought-after speaker at various conferences across Nigeria. Number 9. Patricia Aaro. Patricia Aaro, an Amazon best-selling author, thought leader, entrepreneur, consultant, and inspirational speaker, stands out as a prominent figure in empowering young individuals to unleash their potential and transform ideas into successful ventures. With a background in counseling psychology and a myriad of academic qualifications, including a PhD in educational psychology, Patricia is uniquely positioned to guide the youth towards realizing their entrepreneurial dreams. As the CEO and founder of Young and Influential, Patricia specializes in nurturing leadership and wealth creation skills among young people. Her innate ability to connect with youth sets her apart, as she helps them develop their talents and inspires them to embark on the journey of wealth creation. Number 8. Olajumoke Olufunmilola Adenowo. Olajumoke Olufunmilola Adenowo is a renowned Nigerian architect, author, and motivational speaker. She is widely recognized for her exceptional contributions to architecture and her empowering messages that inspire individuals across Nigeria and beyond. As an architect, Olajumoke Adenowo has made significant strides in the field, earning her the title of Africa's most recognizable female architect. In addition to her achievements in architecture, Olajumoke Adenowo is also a motivational speaker who uses her platform to empower and uplift others, where she shares valuable insights on leadership, personal development, and overcoming obstacles, inspiring audiences to reach their full potential. Number 7. Obie. Obie is a prominent Nigerian techpreneur and motivational speaker known for her impactful contributions to the digital entrepreneurship space. Her engaging speaking style and practical advice resonate with audiences, inspiring them to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams and embrace digital innovation. Number 6. Joke Silva. Joke Silva, a renowned Nigerian actress, director, and motivational speaker, has made significant contributions to the entertainment industry and beyond. Beyond acting, Joke Silva has distinguished herself as a motivational speaker, inspiring and empowering individuals across Nigeria. She delivers insightful talks at various events, encouraging audiences to pursue their dreams and overcome obstacles. Silva is also a passionate advocate for social change, championing causes like women's empowerment, education, and healthcare. Number 5. Nmi Adeyemi. Nmi Adeyemi is a renowned Nigerian pastor, motivational speaker, and author. With a background in ministry and counseling, she has inspired and empowered individuals through her motivational speaking engagements and books. The co-founder of the Daystar Christian Center alongside her husband, Pastor Sam Adeyemi, Nmi Adeyemi has played a significant role in shaping the spiritual landscape of Nigeria. Through her ministry, she has touched the lives of many, offering guidance, support, and hope to those in need. As a motivational speaker, Nmi Adeyemi has addressed diverse audiences, delivering powerful messages of inspiration, personal development, and spiritual growth. Her eloquence, wisdom, and passion for empowering others have made her a sought-after speaker at conferences, seminars, and workshops across Nigeria. Number 4. Chimamanda Adiche. Chimamanda Ngozi Adiche, a celebrated Nigerian author and speaker, is renowned for her profound impact on literature and social advocacy. With numerous accolades, including the esteemed MacArthur Fellowship, she stands as one of Nigeria's most influential voices. Adichie's literary masterpieces, such as Purple Hibiscus, Half of a Yellow Sun, and Americana, have garnered international acclaim, addressing critical societal issues like feminism, race, and identity. Her storytelling prowess captivates audiences globally, sparking crucial dialogues and driving societal transformation. Beyond her literary prowess, Adichie's speeches and lectures, notably her TED Talk, have resonated deeply, igniting a global conversation on gender equality. Her ability to articulate complex ideas with clarity and conviction solidifies her reputation as a compelling and influential speaker. Number 3. Bibi Apampa. Bibi Apampa is a leading figure in the field of financial advisory and retirement planning in Nigeria. With a background as a chartered accountant and extensive experience as Africa's foremost retirement wealth strategist, she has earned a reputation for providing trustworthy and insightful guidance to her clients. As the retirement queen, Bibi Apampa is celebrated not only for her motivational speaking prowess but also for her role as a business consultant. Armed with multiple high-performance coaching certifications, she offers invaluable insights into areas such as transformational leadership, wealth creation, and financial empowerment. Number 2. Fela-Durotoye. Fela-Durotoye is a prominent figure in Nigeria, celebrated for her multifaceted contributions to entrepreneurship and motivational speaking. As the founder and CEO of House of Tara International, a leading beauty and cosmetics company, she has not only transformed the makeup industry but has also become a symbol of female entrepreneurship in Nigeria. Beyond her entrepreneurial endeavors, Fela-Durotoye is widely recognized for her inspiring speeches on topics ranging from leadership to personal development. Her motivational talks have touched the lives of many, earning her a reputation as one of Nigeria's most influential motivational speakers. Number 1. Ibukun Awosika. Ibukun Awosika is a prominent figure in Nigeria known for her remarkable contributions to entrepreneurship and leadership. Ibukun Awosika is a renowned motivational speaker and author. She is known for her inspirational talks on topics such as leadership, entrepreneurship, and personal development. Through her speeches, she has inspired countless individuals to pursue their dreams and achieve their full potential. Furthermore, Ibukun Awosika is actively involved in various philanthropic activities aimed at empowering women and youth in Nigeria. She is passionate about creating opportunities for underprivileged individuals and is committed to making a positive impact in society. Conclusion: celebrating Nigerian female motivational speakers. As we draw the curtains on our journey through the world of Nigerian female motivational speakers, let's take a moment to honor the diversity and profound impact of their messages. These women aren't just speakers, they're catalysts for change, champions of hope, and ambassadors of resilience. Let's continue to uplift and amplify their voices as they inspire us all to reach for the stars.